God. Okay, here. You hold it at me. Right here, the most annoying sound ever.
What is that? That's kind of weird. Well, better try to survive the night.
Dude, let me have it. Okay. So here's the plan. We're doing a thing, something weird he wanted to do, my friend Rayleigh. So we're gonna break him. We're gonna break him. Break. Yeah.
Are you gonna jump scare me or what? We're playing Fun Nights at Freddy's.
These nuts. Wanna hear the most happiest song ever?
No.
You love me, I love you. We all love each other. Like a happy family. Fat Italian needs soup. Get in my belly. Better run.
Why?
Get in my belly. Get in my belly.
I warn you.
Oh shoot! No. He doesn't know this. Watch. I got diamond. I got my Minecraft sword. Let me come out. I'm gonna say, get in my. Slice you up if you do it.
Ghostbusters!
Ah! Watch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This means war. Hey, watch. No, bad Italian. Watch. He's gonna come out.
I can fix you.
You scared the crap out of me, dude.
I can fix it.
Cole, can you fix my phone?